It has been 4 years and it just feels like it was yesterday when I joined Zuru way back in 2021. Hi, I'm Devanshi Doshi and I head All India Finance in Zurotech India. And it has been an incredible journey till now.
Tell us about your journey at Zuru Tech. How did it all begin? And what have been some key moments along the way?
So I joined Zurotech India almost during the COVID time. So if you say that what was the time that there's something that I remember about Zuru. So it was Vishal calling me for the interview because nobody was able to come and give an interview. So that's how my journey began at Zurotech India. And since then, till today, this year in April, I complete 4 years, and it doesn't even feel like 4 years. It is because of Zuru that it doesn't feel like 4 years. There has been a lot of milestones and a lot of learning all the way.
In what ways has Zuru Tech influenced your growth, both professionally and personally?
So, Zuru has taught me a lot of things, starting from taking the leadership and managing the team of my own, managing taxes for 200 people, huge team, communicating with everyone, and most importantly, learning things from Vishal because the kind of person he is. It has been a very different kind of learning curve because under his leadership, it doesn't this job doesn't feel like job. It's more like a family. As we say, Zuru is a family.
Beyond work, what keeps you inspired and how do you balance your passions with your career?
Zuru has played a very important role when it comes to me starting my own personal passion project as well because Zuru has taught me a lot of things. It has taught me organization skills. It has also taught me leadership skills. It has also taught me how to deal with different set of people, starting from different age groups, starting cross-functional communication. Not only that, discussing things beyond work. Our core team who sits together for teas, coffees, etc. So there are a lot of discussion off the official track as well. So, and Zuru's culture where they not only treat their own people as somebody who is working for them, practically people are treated as people, and because of their work culture and their DNA, it becomes very easy and seamless for me to blend both the thing together. So that's how Zuru has been. If it hadn't been Zuru, I wouldn't have started this. It wouldn't have been possible.
Looking back, what's one valuable lesson you've learned and what advice would you share with those looking to grow here?
I have learned a lot of lessons, starting from Vishal yelling at me if I made some mistake earlier, way back in 2021. Till today, where I run the entire finance department in an autopilot mode. I would only give you that piece of advice that mistakes are wrong, but take your mistakes as your learning point because it makes you who you are as a professional. Do not take your work as work commitment. Of course, you have to commit to it, but take it as your own personal thing. Then only you will be able to give your 100%. I do not take it as Zuru's deadline. I take it as my own deadline. That's what helps me to ace and achieve the targets easily. And this year was a milestone year because I got long-awaited promotion this year. And always prepare ahead because howsoever small the task looks, if you are well prepared, if you are well planned, it will be well executed at the end of the day and reduces your stress.